Hello, sixth graders. Today we're starting a new group of health lessons. Your health is one of the most important factors that determine your success in life, now and in the future. The healthier you are, the more likely it is that you will achieve what you want. Our next several health lessons will help you learn skills that will help you stay healthy and enjoy life more. When you feel healthy, what are some things you like to do? When I feel healthy, I like to smile, laugh. I enjoy moving my body, riding my bike, playing with my children, playing sports, playing games, and being with friends. Have you ever noticed that it's harder to do fun things when you feel sick? Staying healthy makes it easier for us to do the things we like to do and also the things we need to do. When we're healthy, our bodies and minds are working the best they can. In this lesson, we're going to talk about friendships and how they can affect what we choose to do, including whether we take risks related to our health. So the word risk, what does that mean to you? Risk means taking a chance. Some of the risks people take are negative and some are positive. Negative risks are those chances people take that might result in something unwanted happening, such as loss, damage, harm, or injury. Some of the choices we make can become negative risks to our health. For example, if we don't exercise and we don't eat healthy foods, we might not feel very well. We might develop health problems later on in life. If we don't wear a seatbelt in the car, we might get seriously injured or even killed if there's an accident. Taking illegal drugs can cause both physical and mental health problems. It can also hurt our relationships with people that we care about. These are some negative risks that we should avoid if we want the best chance to stay healthy. Negative risks can lead to injury or illness. They might hurt us or other people. Negative risks can conflict with our beliefs or lead to trouble with our families, people at school, or the police. A negative risk is a hazard to our health and our happiness. So now we're going to talk about a positive risk. A positive risk is behaving in a way that might not be comfortable for you, but may result in something happening that will benefit you, such as taking a risk to try a new sport or sample a new type of food. There are positive risks that we might want to take for good reasons. A positive risk is a challenge that can benefit our health and happiness. By taking a positive risk, we can feel good about trying healthy things. A healthy challenge can help us develop stronger relationships and new skills. Positive risks fit in with our values and the values of our families and communities. For example, we take positive risks when we start a new exercise program or try eating healthier foods. The risk involves a chance that we might not continue with the exercise program, or we might not like the new vegetable or low-fat milk. If we take a positive risk to try out for a sports team, we might not become part of the team, or we might feel embarrassed in front of the other people. However, if we never try new things, we will limit our chances to grow and develop new skills. Life would be pretty boring. Some situations may have both positive and negative risks. For example, if you play football, you may benefit from being part of a team, meeting new friends, and improving your skills. However, you also take the risk of being injured. Your parents and the other adults can help you decide whether the positive risks outweigh the negative ones in situations like this. Trusted adults and good friends can also help you in situations when it's not clear whether there's a positive or a negative risk. Maybe you don't have enough information yet, or maybe you just have an uneasy feeling. You can keep an open mind and yet be alert to possible risks. You can also talk to people you trust to help you figure it out. So now we're going to talk about friendships. Your relationship with your friends become more important to you as you begin to spend more time with them as you get older. So why is it a good idea to choose your friends wisely? Well, We spend a lot of time with our friends. Our friends influence us in many ways. For example, they can affect whether we take positive or negative risks. We feel better if we have friends who care about us and are nice to us. Our friends mean a lot to us. We have fun with them, we care about them and what they think. We want them to be like us. We feel good when we help our friends and also when they help us. There are many reasons we want people to be our friend. Our friends can affect which risks we choose to take. Some friends encourage us to take positive risks and help us grow in healthy ways. Other friends might encourage us to take negative risks that could be hazardous to us. Similar to risks, some friendships are positive and some are negative. Positive friends can help us feel calm and happy, and negative friends can lead us to feel upset. We may not feel comfortable around negative friends. We might want to fit in and we might want them to like us. But when we notice how they treat some people or how they take negative risks with their health, we may feel upset or scared. We may see that their actions don't follow what we think are good rules or values. We may discover that negative friends aren't really friends or friendly after all. Positive friends do act like real friends, and we feel good around them. Positive friends encourage us to take positive risks and avoid negative ones. This is one way that having good friends can help us stay healthy. It's great to have kind friends who care about us. Knowing how to determine if friendships are positive or negative can help you determine which friends to spend time with and which friends might get you into trouble. If you think a friendship could lead to trouble, it's probably best to consider changing the friendship to be sure you don't take negative risks. So we're going to talk about some characteristics and qualities of negative friends. So some qualities of negative friends would be that the friend wants you to think and act the same way that they do. Using people without caring about them, not listening or caring about other people's feelings or ideas. Someone who's not trustworthy, someone who gossips, encouraging people to do things they know are wrong or harmful, and avoiding spending time with people they say are their friends. Now we're going to list some characteristics of positive friends. Positive friends listen carefully. They treat others as they want to be treated, respect people's opinions, share feelings, encourage people to do their best, have fun with people, and like to do the same things as their friends. So as we talked about already, negative friends might try to get you to take negative risks with your health. What kind of negative risks do you think people might encourage you to take? Well, maybe treating you with disrespect, maybe trying to encourage you to use drugs or alcohol, such as maybe smoking cigarettes or using a vape, do things that are illegal or wrong, such as stealing, cheating, lying, engaging on unsafe behaviors, such as maybe walking in a busy street, maybe biking or skateboarding in dangerous areas, ruining someone's property, and doing things parents, teachers, and the community wouldn't approve of. If a friend tries to get you to take negative risks like these, then you'd want to make sure that you say no. You might also want to consider whether this friend is really a true friend to you. This person might not have your best interest in mind if they encourage you to take negative risks. As we already talked about, some risks we take can be positive. They offer us challenges and can improve our health and happiness. So what kinds of challenges do you think positive friends would encourage you to take? Well, maybe to try a new hobby or a sport, try out for a team, go to a new summer camp, study hard to get good grades, make new friends, saying no to people who want you to do something you don't want to do. Good friends encourage one another to do things that improve their health and help them grow in positive ways. You can Both give and receive this kind of healthy support in your friendship. Friends can impact our health if we let them. Choosing positive friends is one step you can take towards staying healthy. Your assignment for this week is to pick one friend to interview. There is a sheet that is attached in the email. So looking at the sheet, you're going to choose four of the questions on the sheet. There are 9 listed, and you're going to ask your partner or your friend these 4 questions. You'll share the answers to those questions using Flipgrid. So again, you're going to choose one friend. You can call them or email them. If you have a phone, you could text them. You're going to ask them 4 questions from out of the 9, and you're going to share those answers on Flipgrid. Thank you.